how to tag someone on your Instagram story. Super easy, don't overcomplicate it. All you really need to do is go to your Instagram, go ahead and post a story. You can either swipe left or go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top left corner. And I'm just going to pick a picture here. Now, it's very simple to do. Let's just make this a little smaller here. What you want to do is go to the sticker icon at the top right corner. And you just want to go to the @mention button. So go ahead. You can go ahead and choose anyone that you want from your friends list. Let's add someone else here. Go ahead and hit mention. Or you can type in a celebrity or anyone that you want. So let's just type in John Mayer, for example, and go ahead and tag that one in as well. You can go ahead and delete someone as well if you wanted to. Very simple to do. Just drag it down to the trash can icon. And that's it. From here, what you would want to do is just go ahead and hit the share button at the bottom right-hand corner. And then go ahead and hit share like a normal Instagram story. And that's it. The person that you mentioned or tagged will get notified that you mentioned them in your story. And that's it. Super simple.